So today we're going to be creating a poster on Google Slides, and we're going to be analyzing a rhetorical device used by Shirley Chisholm in her speech, People in Peace. So the first thing is you have to make sure you are on Google Chrome. So I'm on Google Chrome right now, and I make sure that I'm logged in to my school account. As you can see, I'm logged into my school account, and you'll click these 9 boxes here, and you'll click Google Slides. It looks like this. Once you're on Google Slides, you can click on blank presentation to start a new presentation, but I made mine already, so I'm going to click this. So the parts of your project, you're going to need a title, and then you'll title it whatever device you're analyzing today. Then you'll have a student-friendly definition. So whatever your definition is, make sure you don't just copy and paste it from the internet. It has to be student-friendly, so customize it. Mine is words that are taken from another person's speech, especially a trusted authority. All right, so now it's your text. When you have your text, the first thing is you need a quote from Shirley Chisholm's speech that is important. What you deem to be the most important line, sentence, or phrase, or paragraph. And then once you do that, you're going to highlight that yellow. The next thing is you need to analyze that quote, analyze that excerpt that you picked. And you need to discuss why this is the most important line and what device is being used and how does that device emphasize her point. Lastly, you'll have your reflection. In this reflection, you're going to discuss how this line up here in yellow, once the audience reads that, how does that make the audience feel? How does that make the audience think? And then what is the audience going to want to do after they listen to or read this portion of the text? All right, so I'm going to have this whole example on PDF so you can look at it in depth. The last part of your project is you need a symbol that represents your device. So my device is quotes, and so I used a tape recorder. So a tape recorder was a device that you used to use that records someone's voice and you could play it back later. Just like a quote, you take someone's words and then you play it back to a different audience. All right, so how do you create all of this? So if you go to Insert, and then Text Box, that's how you create your text. All right. And then to create the image, you go to Image and then search the web. All right. Get an image this way because all of this stuff is free to use on the internet. All right. And then lastly, how do you highlight? So you'll take a text that you want to highlight. Let me just highlight this part for now. And then you go to Format, Text, and then highlight color, and then you can highlight any color you want. I'll just choose green. All right. I don't actually want to keep that, but that's how you highlight. All right. So once you create this, and then you'll title it up here. All right. When you title it, make sure you put your last name in the title. I would put your first and last name in the title. It'll help your teacher. But then you have to go to share it. You have to go into Google Drive. So Google Drive, so over here, it'll look like this. All right. And then once you're on Google Drive, you'll find the document that you created, and then you'll right click it. I don't know how to do this on Apple. Hopefully you don't have Apple, but you'll figure it out. And then see how this has a share button? You'll click Get Shareable Link. And when you do Get Shareable Link, you can go over here, and here it says only people added can open this link. You can change this to anyone with link. All right, and then you can use this link here and post that onto Schoology. So you can share this with anyone. All right, and that's it.